the diff tank needs to be topped off, and so we're gonna get some diff fluid. I'll check the ISO rating. I'm pretty sure if it's blue diff, it's gonna be fine, but since we're here in the US and I can't just go down to the Land Rover dealer and get the fancy bottles, so what we'll do is get 2 of the 2.5 gallon containers, and I will go through the process of topping it off, see if our light gets reset. So anyway, stay with us as we get that diff fluid and get it changed. You really got to go very slow and steady, or you'll make a considerable mess, because the way they've designed it, you can't just like dump it in. It's got to be slow and steady. Too much and it just overfills and comes back on you. Returning the cap, and we'll clean up any spillage. Successful, and it's turned off.